John Ruskin once said, "Quality is never an accident, it is always the result of intelligent effort." This is especially true in software testing, where ensuring quality requires both skill and strategy. Over the years, testing methodologies have evolved, leading to the emergence of new roles. One such role is the Software Development Engineer in Test (SDET), which is often confused with traditional quality assurance QA engineers. Hello, you're watching Maruti Tech Labs, and in today's video, we'll discuss the key differences between these two roles. Roles and responsibilities. At a glance, both SDETs and QA professionals focus on software quality. However, their responsibilities differ significantly. SDETs are involved in both development and testing. They review product code, write automation scripts, and build testing frameworks to ensure software reliability. Meanwhile, QA professionals focus on the testing process, planning, executing test cases, and identifying bugs. Their role is more about validation rather than development. Skills required. SDETs work closely with developers, so strong programming skills are essential. They must also understand the software development lifecycle and be able to write efficient test automation scripts. QA professionals, on the other hand, focus more on manual and automated testing tools. While some programming knowledge is beneficial, it is not a core requirement. Testing methodology. Another major difference is the testing methodology. SDETs are adept at white box testing, ensuring code reliability and robustness while focusing on function specificity. QA professionals, however, specialize in black box testing, where they focus on validating the functionality of each component without diving deep into the code. Salary difference. When it comes to salaries, several factors like location, employer, and experience play a role. SDETs typically earn 30 to 40% more than QA professionals. SDETs can make more than $120,000 per year at top tech firms like Apple, while smaller companies offer anywhere between $40,000 to $120,000. QA salaries range from $40,000 to $100,000 depending on experience and employer. If you are looking to become a top-notch SDET in any of these industries, here are some essential tips. How to become a highly effective SDET. Enhance your programming skills. Learn languages like Java, Python, or JavaScript to build effective test scripts. Be detailed oriented. Ensure every test scenario meets requirements before marking it as successful. Collaborate effectively. Work closely with developers, testers, and product managers to build robust software. Stay updated on automation tools. Knowing the right tools for the job can streamline testing efforts. Don't automate everything. Before automating, evaluate if it truly adds value to the testing process. You can become a highly effective SDET and contribute to high quality software development by mastering these skills. As industries like automotive, healthcare, and finance move toward automation, the demand for SDETs is growing. While QA remains essential, mastering both development and testing can help testers future-proof their careers. Got more questions? Check out our detailed blog with the link in the description. That's it for today's video. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Maruti Tech Labs. See you in the next one.